Hello students, today I am going to start chapter number 13, surface area and volume. So firstly we will talk about surface area. What is surface area? Surface area is area of outer part of any shape. Area of outer part of any object or any shape. Like firstly we will talk about cube. We know that cube is made up of square. Base of cube is square na. It means how many sides of a square? 6 sides are there. There are 6 sides of a cube and all sides are made up of a square. If we want to find the surface area of a cube, we will find the area of all the sides of cube. So we know that area of square is equal to side multiply side. If I take side is equal to a centimeter, then area of square is a into a square centimeter raised to power 2. Area of one side of a cube is a raised to power 2 centimeter square. There are 6 sides na, 6 sides of a cube. It means total surface area of a cube is equal to 6a square. If we want to find the lateral surface area, lateral or curved surface area. Lateral or curved surface area of cube is equal to 4a square, because in lateral or curved we didn't include upper and down part. Like if we take an example of a room. In a room there are 6 sides. 4 walls are there, one is ceiling and one is floor. 6 sides na, that is in the shape of a cube. If we want to paint all the 4 walls, in 4 walls we will not include floor and ceiling. Then we have to need to find the area of lateral surface area. Then we use this formula for a square. Same as it is cuboid. Base of cuboid is rectangle. It is made up of rectangles. So if we want to find the total surface area of cuboid, in rectangle we know that formula is equal to L into B. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. But in cuboid, height also include na. Height is included. This is length, this is breadth and this is height. 3 dimensions are there. So if we want to find the total surface area of any cuboid, we will find area of all the 6 sides of this cuboid na. So if we take downside, its area is L into B. If we take upper side, it's also L into B. And this side, if we take, this is breadth and this is height. It means breadth into height. It's in front of this also breadth into height. And this one is length and height. Length multiply height. In front of this length into height. If we add all these 6 areas, we find L into B 2 times, B into H 2 times, L into H 2 times. It means total surface area of cuboid is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. This is the total surface area of a cuboid. If we want to find the lateral surface area of cuboid, then we will not include upper part and the down part. Upper and down part is length into breadth, so we will neglect that sides. It means we Find 2 into BH plus HL. This is the formula of lateral surface area.